Good morning, everyone. It's Adam with Seaside Vacations. I'm in Kill Devil Hills this morning with the beach report for Wednesday, January 5th. Starting out to be a pretty nice day. We got some bright sun, blue skies. It's on the chilly side, probably mid-30s right now, but should get up into the low 40s. And it actually doesn't feel that bad. It's pretty comfortable because there's almost no wind. You can see the water behind me. It's really not moving very much. It's almost Lake Atlantic. Obviously no swell coming in for surf, so that's out of the question. But it's also showing that there's really no wind coming in, so it's making it pretty comfortable without that wind chill, and it should be like this for pretty much the rest of the week. The wind might kick up a little bit, but should be sunny and in the mid-40s for the rest of the week and probably into the weekend. So no surf to report, but the big news is that the rockfish are here. I mentioned it on Monday, but we had about 500 boats go out of Oregon Inlet over the weekend out there catching rock. The rock is from Corolla all the way down to Oregon Inlet, anywhere within about 3 miles of the beach. Unfortunately, still haven't gotten any reports of anyone catching from the beach, but a whole bunch of reports of people catching their limits out in the boats. So I'll give you a quick look at the beach, not too much going on, but I'll pan the water as well, and you can actually see some boats out there already out there catching some rock this morning. So hope you have a great day. If you're thinking about coming down, please give us a look, outerbanksvacations.com. That's the Nag's Head Pier off in the distance there. And you can see, hopefully you can see some boats dotting the horizon. Usually don't see this many boats out on a Wednesday morning this early, so that means the fishing is good. There's a couple. There's another one out there. And as I pan across, you'll see a few more out there as well. So the rockfish are here in full force. That's the Avalon Pier off in the distance there.